Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at the installation of the tray for the Mini Paceman, the R61 3-door version. It's very similar to the Mini Countryman, but this is the 3-door version. And for its installation you simply need to fold down the rear seats. First, this one, and now the second. Following this, we will introduce the tray in a vertical orientation, exactly like so. Next, we will proceed to rotate it to a horizontal position, always considering its widest part. And once we've rotated it, we will then pull it into position to place it onto the trunk so it rests perfectly in this way. And now, we simply need to raise the rear seats back into their upright position, starting with the first one, and then the second one. And as is plainly visible, the trunk floor tray slots in perfectly, aligning with all the surrounding edges. Just like all our other trays, this one features an integrated handle. You can easily insert your hand into it to lift the tray, granting you access to the false floor of the trunk. This hidden compartment is perfect for stowing away various items. Once you're done, simply lower the tray back into place. And as you can clearly observe, it fits absolutely perfectly. You can find all our products for sale on our website, carbootplatform.com. Should you require further information or have any queries, kindly reach out to us, and we will respond at our earliest convenience. Thank you.